Hello everyone, we're back again with the question 10 from the ICSE chapter 1 force, and till now we have covered 9 questions, 9 numericals from the chapter. This is the 10th one. Again, we have to always keep in mind that whenever we are talking about ruler, the midpoint of the ruler explained and gives the idea of the weight which would be concentrated in the midpoint. So this is question 10. Let's try and understand how this works. It says the diagram below. So diagram is given to us, shows a uniform bar. Now this is uniform bar of 50 and 50, which is 100 centimeter, but the center is in the uh, midpoint, which is given at 0. So 50 on the right side and 50 on the left side is given in the question. It says a weight of 40 GF is placed at a distance of 40 centimeter to the left of point O, which means this distance available to us is 40 centimeter. How can you balance the bar with a weight of 80 GF? The question says, now this weight 40 GF will take it downward, which means it will take it in the anti-clockwise direction. So to balance it, we will have to keep the weight of 80 GF on this side. And question says, where will you keep it? So the X. So we know the concept. The concept goes like this. Anti-clockwise moment equals to clockwise moment. So anti-clockwise moment, we have 40 GF into the distance of 40 centimeter equals to clockwise moment would be X into 80 GF. That is force into distance. So therefore we get 40 up into 40 upon 80. That is equals to X. So then we get 0, 0. This is 4, 2. This is 20. So we get X equals to 20 centimeter. So where will we place the load of 80 GF on the 20 centimeter on the left side, on the right side, because that will it balance, right? So that's the answer also. It says by placing the weight of 80 GF at a distance of 20 centimeter to the right side of point O. This is question 10. So let's go to question 11 now. Question 11 talks about, again, a figure has been available to us, given to us. It says figure 1.32 shows a uniform meter rule placed on a fulcrum at its midpoint 0, which is O, and having a weight of 40 GF at 10 centimeter mark, which is this. So if we'll ask you again, what is the distance between these two? This is 50 minus 40, which is 50 minus 10, which is 40 centimeter, that distance. Uh, Having weight GF at 10 centimeter mark, 10 centimeter from this side, which means from fulcrum it is at 40 centimeter mark, and a weight of 20 GF at 90 centimeter mark. So this is 90. So from fulcrum again it is 90 minus 50, which is 40 centimeter mark. The question says, is the meter rule in equilibrium? For equilibrium, let's check. What should be our criteria? Clockwise moment should be equal to anti-clockwise moment. Let's check clockwise moment. Clockwise moment comes out to be 20 into 40, which is basically 800. And anti-clockwise moment comes out to be, let's check for anti-clockwise moment. It comes out to be 40 into 40, which is equals to 1600. So since clockwise moment is not equal to anti-clockwise moment, it's not in equilibrium. So it's not, therefore, no equilibrium. It says, so now this is our first part, which is sorted, no. Now you can see, because this comes out to be 1600, so it is moving anti-clockwise. And this comes out to be 800, so it is moving clockwise. So which means it will move anti-clockwise. Now, second part of the question says, how can it be brought in equilibrium? Because anti-clockwise is greater than clockwise, so we will place additional load of that is given 40 GF on the right side, right? On right side. So let's check what happened in that case. Therefore, clockwise moment will be already available with us is 800 plus the additional weight, which we will place it somewhere at a distance of X. So let's say X into 40 G. Now, because since anti-clockwise equals to clockwise, so therefore, let's check what is that X. So anti-clockwise is 1600. Clockwise now is 800 plus X into 40. So when we divide everything by 40, we'll get this would be 40 equals to 20 plus X, and therefore X comes out to be 20 centimeters. So where will be placing the additional weight of 40 GF? Because we started from 0, so 50, from 50 it is 20 centimeters, so it would be, so therefore 50 plus 20, it would be at 70 centimeter will be placing on the ruler, which is 20 centimeters from the right side. So we will place here. These were question 10 and 11. We'll be meeting in the next video for question 12 and 13. If you have any question, do put it in the comment box. Thank you and have a great time. Bye-bye.